Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect Bluetooth devices to your computer and if your device is even eligible to actually work or be connected with Bluetooth. So not all computers or Chromebooks will work with Bluetooth, so one way to find out pretty quick, and that will also be how we're going to go actually if you want to add a Bluetooth device such as a keyboard, mouse, speakers, headset, that kind of thing. You want to go open up the clock, so go ahead and just left click on the time at the bottom right corner of your taskbar and then select the setting gear icon in a circle. So go ahead and just select that. Select these settings up at the top left, go ahead and just select that to open it up, and then you want to go select Bluetooth. So if Bluetooth is turned off, you want to go toggle this to the on position. If you notice that there's a little arrow going through it, that means that it is disabled and it won't actually work. However, if you did have eligible Bluetooth device, you would just be able to toggle this to the on position. And then at that point, you would have the option to choose what kind of device you want to connect to. And then there just would be on-screen instructions from there. And you also have the option to connect to other devices such as your phone if you go down to the following option there. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.